So hello friends, this is Aditya and today I am talking about SQL, MySQL and SQL servers. The difference between three, what is better to learn and we can learn in data analytics which is better to learn. So let's start the video with new energy. The first one is SQL. What is SQL? SQL stands for Structure Query Language. Structure Query Language is one type of language. The language is communicate to database. The language is used to communicate with database. SQL, we use it manage or create a table, update, insert and delete table, and third one is to fetch using queries. Think a SQL is a grammar to talk to a database like a human is a English. So second concept is SQL Server. The SQL Server is a relational database management system like RDBMS. So RDBMS is developed by Microsoft and SQL Server also developed by Microsoft. So features of Excel: work in Windows environment, great for Power BI, Excel, the environment like a large data set. Has SQL has a GUI graphics user interface tool like SSMS. SSMS means SQL Server Management Studio. So third one is MySQL. MySQL is also a relational database type, but it is open source and owned by Oracle. MySQL is use SQL, but it is lightweight and perfect for web application startups and developers. So features of MySQL. MySQL is open source and free, used in workspace, PHP and web app. Work well on Linux and cloud platform. GUI tools MySQL workspace in PHP admin. So MySQL is most used database in free world. So in the screen we see the key difference of SQL versus SQL Server and MySQL. Term type developed by. So SQL is a language type is a language and developed by ANSISO. So SQL Server is a RDBMS software and developed by Microsoft. MySQL is a RDBMS and developed by Oracle, and MySQL is open source and best for or SQL is best for or RDBMS, and SQL Server is best for enterprise BI, and MySQL is best for web app and startups. Warm up and sum up. SQL is the language and MySQL and SQL Server is a database used to create the data. So thank you for watching. This is for the day. Thank you for your attention. Thank you.